Look at your social feeds and you'll see a constant push to be the main character, the CEO, the captain, the sole visionary. But the most difficult missions are rarely won in isolation. They depend on a specific kind of partnership. Prophet Harun A.S. provides the model for how this role actually functions. This is a study of the essential supporter. Right now, there is a heavy expectation in teen culture that if you aren't the person in charge or the one getting all the public credit, your contribution is invisible. When you put in hours of quiet work on a project or keep a friend group together behind the scenes, it can be frustrating to feel sidelined while someone else takes the applause. This raises a difficult question. How do you find personal value and make a genuine impact when you are not the one calling the shots? Our obsession with the spotlight often obscures the fact that every successful mission requires a high-level supporter to function. To understand the power of this role, we look to Prophet Musa, alayhi salam. He was tasked with confronting Pharaoh, a ruler with a massive military and absolute control over his people. Rather than attempting the mission alone, Musa explicitly asked Allah to grant him his brother Harun as a helper. Musa recognized a specific gap in his own profile. While he provided the drive and courage, Harun possessed a superior gift for eloquence and words. This diagram shows how their combined skills created a mission-ready unit. Harun used his communication skills to amplify Musa's message, turning words into a strategic tool that could navigate the hostility of Pharaoh's court. This assignment established a partnership designed to meet the specific requirements of the confrontation. Harun's role was a divine appointment, essential to the mission's survival. Musa's request indicates that even a prophet's mission can depend on the specialized skills of another. The pressure intensified as the brothers led the children of Israel out of Egypt. They faced internal conflict and shifting loyalties from the very people they were trying to help. Harun acted as the stabilizer. He held the line and defended the truth, providing a loyal anchor for his brother while the community fractured. Harun prioritized the progress of the mission over his own visibility, even when he was responsible for keeping the group focused during their most difficult moments. Look at the difference in these two structures. On the left, a single node hoards all the connections. On the right is Harun's model, a base node that distributes energy upward to support and illuminate the entire mission. The record of this mission shows that dedication to the goal remains the most significant metric of success, regardless of who is standing in the light. If you feel exhausted by the pressure to always be in charge, you can let that expectation go. In your own life, being a friend's advocate while they study or start a project might be the factor that determines their success. You can use your words to stabilize a group. This diagram shows chaotic red lines becoming parallel blue waves as they pass through a stabilizing node. Calm, clear words de-escalate drama. Eloquence brings people together, building a unified front rather than division. Practice this by letting a teammate take the credit for a group win. If you focus on the satisfaction of the completed goal, the lack of public recognition becomes irrelevant. You don't have to be the leader today to have an impact. Being like Harun, a loyal, eloquent supporter of the truth, is where real strength is found. Think about the people who provide this support for you. Tag your own Harun in the comments, like this video, and subscribe. May we all find the strength to support those around us.